You fighting to get the...
Dude, I don't
Did
understand.
you just tell me how you're not good at fingering?
Shut up.
I'm gonna ask your old lady.
Oh, she'll tell you. She'll smile.
Will she go, I am?
Why? I don't understand that.
And then hunting this gasket is not as fun as I thought. So we might end up making one.
What do you mean? Like, you can't just call GM? I thought GM was the greatest thing in the world. Isn't that what you say?
Once ever something's 10 years old, they don't give a shit anymore.
Oh, it's all the places like that. Dodge is the worst.
You see that? Small pee-pee.
Yeah, would have been easier if something that unbolted all the way. Bobby.
What are you talking about? I didn't touch that thing. That was Scotty. Can't get the bolt out when it's stuck in there.
Like, I can put my finger on the bolt, but I can't get that on the bolt.
No, but you can go get a wrench and get it on the other side.
No.
Yes.
I don't have a half.
How do you not have a half?
Because you guys don't put shit back where it goes.
Oh my God,
Both,
he's getting bitchy.
Both you guys.
He's getting bitchy.
I'm yelling out both you guys right now.
He's getting bitchy. There's one bolt.
Do not put it on the floor.
I set it on the floor for now.
Do not. Oh my God.
He's yelling at me.
I'm telling your wife. What's her number?
Pick up your child.
Go pick up your 4-year-old child. Throwing things on the floor instead of bagging and tagging. Actually,
You should do.
once the island arm comes off, I'm putting that piece back on. I'm not snugging it on. That way we don't lose it. Do you know?
I might just say put it in a bag because we need to clean it. It's disgusting. You're disgusting. Okay, that's 2 bolts. Now you can get the other 2. Have fun.
No.
Yes.
Get that other one.
You get another one.
No, I don't have a half fucking.
I'll get one. Oh God, that's way up there.
No, I don't even have that.
That's way up there. There's 5 actually.
I told you there was another one.
There's one way up there.
That one's easy to get to.
Yep. Then we got to give that a reach around and get that one. Okay, that'll be fun.